Oh, here a golden R107. I'm loving these SLs. And I was just meeting a subscriber of mine. I was just coming with a smile, and then I was like, hello, and I was like, do they know him? Maybe, maybe not. It's always funny when this is happening. Yeah, we'll also film his car just in a while. Here, this is cool. I was first believing this is a Chevy Chevelle, but this is not, because, well, it's a huge, as the Aussies are saying. Oh, cool. So here we have a pickup loading thing. Oh, take a look at this. I'm remembering this one also from Altblech in Calf. And here is an Opel GT. I guess I will have to film these four to make it easier. Anyway, here the El Camino from Chevrolet with the Chevelle front. And here the SL, beautiful, and the Opel GT. Take a look at this. In blue, it's a 1900, the one that the people are nowadays, of course, favoring, because you could also get this car, well, not as a GT, but the standard version, only with, I'm believing, 60 horsepower. Very slow, but yeah, beautiful car. Anyway, here once again the Fiat 124 Sport, if I'm not mistaken. So, a couple of minutes later, I'm here at this wonderful DeLorean DMC-12 of Marty McFly, as I was calling the owner at the Altblech, and I'm very sure he is loving to see this video, because he's also a subscriber of my channel. And take a look at this. Wonderful. There's no flux compensator, so we are not going back to the future. Oh, loving these wheels. These original wheels. So here's no time machine stuff. Super cool. And he, well, also a subscriber, he just walked towards me, and I was like, oh, someone who is knowing me, but I was like, am I knowing him? Maybe not. Then figured out, yes, I didn't know him, but he's knowing my channel. Oh, beautiful. Well, I guess without the Back to the Futures movie, this car would be most probably very unknown. There weren't these many made of these. And there's also, well, a little story about the car, or the manufacturer, so the Mr. DeLorean. So the car most likely only got the popularity due to the Back to the Future movies. Anyway, very cool, also with these gull wings. Oh, another E30 BMW 3 Series, wonderful. Yeah, wonderful E30. And also here for my die-cast collector friends, here's a Porsche 356. That's a model from Burago. And here, probably also from Burago. This, by the way, is of the Fiat 124 Sport. So, what else do we have here? Triumph. Oh, not only one Triumph. Then I'm just walking through this now. So, Triumph TR4. Triumph TR. Oh, TR8. So this is the one that most likely was sold in the US, if I'm not mistaken. A very rare sight. Here an MGB GT. And here a car from another subscriber of mine. Triumph Spitfire. We have seen this car already a few times, and we will see it even more often. Oh no, what I'm seeing in there. Rover convertible, 216 maybe? British racing green. Loving these old Honda Rovers, or Rondas as they're also called. Beautiful. Oh, loving it. So, a greeting to the Rover friends. So we also have Rovers here. 216i. Beautiful. Here, once again, the Spitfire. Maxi light wheels. Oh, also loving these. So, and back then, Triumph was very confident about the mileage of this car. It only has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. But well, that's what you're seeing in some cars. And then you never know how often it was turning around to the zero. Here, Triumph TR8. Here a little look to the MGB. Ist das ein V8? Nee. No V8, but looking amazing. So, and here the TR8 with cruise control and everything. Here, oh, amazing. Loving these British cars. Loving the steering wheel. Oh, vielen Dank. So, mal gucken, ob ich es schaffe. Jo. Dankeschön. Sehr schön, Dankeschön. Ah, it's used for true rallies. Oh, look at this old radio. Oh, this little stick. Absolutely amazing. Wow. Loving it. Absolutely beautiful. Wonderful. Wonderful. So, once again, this front. Very nice. The owner did let me open the door. So, TR8. Here also the wonderful TR4A. And Glenn is for sure knowing about this type of rooftop because it's a special rooftop. It's even IRS because it's like the, what is it called? Targa rooftop. So half coupe, half T-top. So that's the word. Beautiful. Porsche 944, also looking great in black. And here Renault Alpine A320, 310. I would say at least, because I'm not totally certain about that. Also really amazing. And here S2, so the Series 2, great. And here I haven't shown this one yet, and I have to speed up because otherwise I'm knowing I will get again complaints of someone if I haven't filmed his BMW 850. You don't even know if he's there, but anyway, amazing looking 300 SL. It's an R107. Once I was buying almost one of these. It was in red, and back then it was pretty cheap, 7,500 German marks. I should have bought it and kept it, but well, as I'm loving cars, I'm also loving new cars. So this is lovely. It's an Austin Cooper, a really old one. That's what she said. Take a look at these semi-slicks. That's a little car. Here, Austin Cooper. So here we have a BMW new class. The stands 1800s, but I'm a little bit surprised because I'm seeing these horizontal aligned taillights, and usually this was limited also with these rectangular headlamps to the 2000, to the top model. So I'm kind of surprised seeing 1800. Maybe it's not original, I don't know, but what I have to say is it's looking great. Oh, and here's even a modern Mini Cooper. Wondering, are they already this old? If so, then my colleague Jutta, you could also drive with your Mini Cooper to such shows now. So the BMW Mini Cooper. Oh, nice color. It's a green metallic paint. And from when is this one? Doesn't stand there. Oh, from 2004. So 20 years. Anyway, also great looking, this color. Oh, and here, take a look at this Opel GT. I also have to speed up a little bit because there are so many cars and I want to get as many as possible in front of my camera. Another Beetle. I have to do some shorts about some cars, but that's what I'm doing later. I'm already 2 hours here, can you believe? Also had some nice talks, especially with subscribers. This, by the way, is a large fintail. Amazing, absolutely amazing. Here, Audi Coupe. This is not the Quattro. So Type 81, like as my car. But this is the facelift. The same as this one here from Marco. I know you are here. I have seen you coming, but haven't seen you when I was at this place. Here, Volkswagen Golf Mark II. In the background I'm also seeing another Audi 80. So I'm not the only one this time. So, Golf Mark II with a greeting to Asia. If you're still watching my videos, I don't know. Time is flying sometimes. Audi 80 with a greeting to Marco. See, I found your car. You probably also have already found mine. So the coupe. Here the large fintail Mercedes-Benz 220 SE. Amazing.